Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have upat properties for sale. All are CLOA title with separate title. So, with the same owner, guys. Usa ra ka tag-iya, usa ka pamilya. Pero tanan daplin o karsada. So, mao ni sitwasyon. The first one is this one. Is 2,500 square meters. For a package price of 500,000 pesos per 500,000 pesos. So 500,000 guys. Very close from the schoolahan. This is ideal for residential and commercial. So pwede siya negosyuhan nimo diha guys. And commercial. Residential. Then located in Barangay M. Rojas, Trinidad, Bohol, and northern part of Bohol province. So kini siya guys po 2,500 ni siya guys. Kini. Actually, this property is owned by my brother-in-law and his family. Yuta ni sa akong brother-in-law, they are now living at somewhere in Talibon, my parents. Sa akong ginikanan na nitipon man sila. Ewa man sa ni sila anak. Then, and also, he also contacted his brothers and sister to sell their property. They are in Lapu-Lapu, living in Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. So, mana siya guys. Corridas tanan, tag 500 ang 500,000 kada lote regardless of lot area. Kini siya, pabor sa ni siya guys, kay dool gyud kaayo og eskwelahan. Very close from the public school and center of M. Rojas, Trinidad, Bohol. Water is just only digging a well, or there is a well in the property, in this property. Usually there is a well already on this property. Then the others still we need to dig. So siguro takay bao na nag-interesado basing hangyo pa. Pero mao lagi ingon. Basta mao nilang presyo. Di na ko ka-sure kung papangyo ba sila o di ba. Istorya lang mo. Final. So mana siya guys. Kana diha dapita eskwelahan na siya. Kani eskwelahan na siya. Ya barangay hall tapad sa eskwelahan. The barangay hall is beside of the school. So approximately 2 kilometers from National Highway. 2 ka kilometro. So dool ra. And this is the other one. Is 3,505 square meters. Daplin ya po ni karsada guys. Same CLOA title. And dool ra pod very close from the barangay hall and school. Mga 50 meters away. Distansya gamay, 50 metros sa good pod ang distansya sa eskwelahan. So, transportation is only single motorcycle, what we call habal-habal o single taxi. And pwede rasan masod ang tricycle. Tricycle can easily enter. So, mao na siya guys. Wag yun yung nga upat ka property with same owner. Don't worry with CLOA, no? Kay it's been already approved by PBBM, President Bongbong Marcos, that he already cancel all the payments in the land bank. Usually land bank man ay nakaloning kluwa guys, pero nagay mga kluwa nga wala pod kanang nasud lang sila pagkakluwa kay tuo man sila nga libre gyud. Libre man gyud ang survey. Libre matitulo. So kay kluwa man ang resulta. So mao na nahitabo. Actually ilaha gyud ang yuta. Dili gini kluwa nga hinatag ha. Duha man ka klaseng kluwa hinatag sa gipadatahan doon ay mga gi-carp ba during the time of carp gi-carp. Yeah. This one is the kanang barangay hall and school. Dako kayong kuan. Kanang sitawag ani covered court. So nindot kayong property gyud honestly lang kung nalantay kwarta. Okay ra man gyud na. So see. Very nice. Eskwelahan. That is the school. So that is the second one. Then na siya guys. Then this one, we have another property for sale. So mana siya guys. 4,000 square meters ni. 500,000 ragyapon. Malagyapon sila kuan. Pili-pili lang ta. Asa tayo makagustuhan eh. Actually, more than 10 years naman. So, pwede ra gyud pud si paliton. Transfer ra gini siya. Kasi, nindot kayo. Kanang sa tubangan, murag labong no. So many trees. But at the back is really plain. So, diri dapita sa mga building dagko. There are so many buildings. So many. One building pala. Kanang nagnegosyo kolorok ba? O na siya guys. See? Patag yun as in. Super patag. Then adjacent, there is also another lot adjacent of this property in front, still for sale. Wala pa nato klaro kung pila gibaligya guys, pero mana siya for sale. Okay, so very nice. Hapon naman. So we have the last one beside of this residential house with business kuan man na negosyo. Balay siya pero na negosyo. Color of installer na sila. Ana siya. So very nice gihapon guys. Nindot jud kaayo. 3,000 square meters. Same price. Actually, kung ato ning i-visit site inspection, so pili-pili lang ta asay atong ganahan. Kana pong gitarukan na ng building, mao ra magyapon sila papilis. Klowa. So meaning way katarungan nga dili ni matukuran. So mana siya guys. The good thing here is really affordable price. So this is northern part of Bohol, just around 2 to 3 hours drive from Tagbilaran City, Panglao International Airport. Then 30 to 40 minutes drive from Talibon, Bohol Seaport for Cebu. Then 1 hour drive from Tubigon, 1 hour and a half, Tubigon, Bohol Seaport. And Hetapi, Bohol Seaport around 1 hour drive. So daghan mga seaport diha dapita guys. So okay ra gyud kaayo ang atong property for sale. Wag problema. Okay. So For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process land titles, condominium title, appraisal. So, pwede tang pa-appraise natay mo appraise. Dili ako, na ako'y partner, appraiser. May problema. Okay. Ana siya guys, bit yun aning 3,000. Same price at tanan, no? I repeat, ang atong for sale is 2,500, 3,500, 4,000, and 3,000 square meters at 500,000 pesos each. Kada usa tag 500,000. Kung mohangyo ta siguro, later on, basing pangyo pa ni. Di pa sure lang, pero okay naman siya. All are CLOA title. It's more than 10 years. So, pwede na siya ma-transfer, mabaligya. Okay? Thank you and God bless. Bye.